Among the several types of dogs, the Shiba Inu is the best. Prestigious Costa Rican currency tokens worth 20 colons each, regardless of the most recent drop in price. The orc are maximizing their profit from them, substituting ever-increasing amounts of Shiba. Transfer Shiba Inu tokens to their investment account. In Whales is the most popular cryptocurrency for buying, outperforming Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos. Each crypto-led currency has a certain number of tokens. Why whales are increasing in number, and how this knowledge might be secured. What's next? More SHIB tokens. We'll be discussing these topics and addressing your questions later today. As an added bonus, we'll evaluate how well this works and whether or not it's a good. Is now a good time to purchase Shiba Inu coin? Stay for that, since that's what today's. This video is packed with information on impending changes to the SHIB. In order to increase the level of interest in the Shiba army, we're also pressing the like buttons on this. A month-end giveaway of 200 items. The first 2 subscribers chosen at random to enter the cryptographic realm. In order to participate, simply click the like button below the video. Like and share your favorite videos on YouTube by subscribing. Down here in the comments box, you can buy crypto. The following, without further ado, let's enter to the heart of the matter that has everyone on edge. Satisfactory results for the final 3 months of. Many of us have had our fill for the year. Earn money in October from Shiba Inu and that in the second quarter of 2022, and more specifically. Many SHIB owners are holding out hope for a December sale, have millions of tokens in anticipation. A Shiba Inu can snip off a delicate rose in no time because of the value it provides for the cost. The return of investment if you are a shareholder. Perhaps you are planning on going out and getting Shiba some new dips. You should watch this video because you're a market watcher. The current downtrend in Shiba could have been the inspiration for a brand new meme token. Increased anxiety in various markets, community, but the major cryptocurrency. Welsh professionals in the market seem unconcerned about the average price movement in recent market. Various whales have accumulated 20. A SHIB's worth of coins has increased by the token has not been replaced after days. An unaccountable monarchy of whales. Ethereum is steadily becoming the whale's second favorite crypto system. Topping the charts now is Community SHIB. Since over a month ago, and its whale. Its dominance is growing daily. Breaking news has been posted on WhaleStat, using the medium of Twitter, where the Shiba Inu is plainly visible. The most popular and often bought cryptocurrency. Whales' top spot on the list. Value of purchases per whale. Valued at $1.1 million, 20 billion SHIB tokens. Cash? But the big mystery is why. The number of purchases made by whales continues to rise. Because of the ongoing Shiba price decline, a new price has been established. To further grasp this, let's take a look back in time of money spent this month and the related dollar amount while in the information about this surfaced during the first week of November. That some unidentified whale paid about silver coins totaling $750 million were on board the ship. The whale assiduously refilled its stomach in just 10 days. His money from the month of October to January. We went shopping for SHIBs the first week of November. The fact that still a mystery as to the whale's identity. The buyer is a individual stock exchange. In any case, the identity of the business entity. There is no evidence that the whale exists, and in the realm of business, the battle for individuality continues. I was wondering what your thoughts were on these large-scale purchases made by whales do. Your feedback in the comments. Downwards, too, in the initial 7 days of a mysterious whale splurged on 40. Value 2.78 quintillion in SHIB coins. In 4 separate pockets, the question wallets have never been used. Transactional history. In the following, all business dealings were brand new. Just a few days ago, a strange whale appeared in. 20 trillion SHIB tokens were transferred. This is worth $1.1 billion, which is a lot. The largest whale migration ever recorded. In 2022, specifically across the Shiba Inu breed, over $20 trillion were moved by the whale. Crypto.com Shiba Inu tokens and relocated it to a secret Bitcoin address. Fact that even the greatest of those who went whale watching were unable to track the token storing address in the user's wallet. Shifted focus to the growing population of whales is generally interpreted as a positive indicator of asset due to institutional investors and cryptocurrencies. A company's fate is ultimately in the hands of its investors. Market prices are dynamic and subject to change. Price movement every day. And in what? For the SHIB to Shiba. The new holder has been patiently waiting. Strike a penny or remove a few digits from the end price, but reality shows that striking one almost always. With a total token supply of $1 quadrillion, it's impossible to build a ship bigger than the world. In this economic climate, Shiba Inus will not be able to score a home run if SHIB never gets a dime again. Does that? Sure, it's tough to get a dime, but it's improbable. What if we lower the token value, distribute, and destroy a lot of tokens successfully, and by doing so, several zeros can be eliminated out of, or even reach, the price of 1 cent. The act of taking tokens out of, placing tokens into the circulating supply, sent to an expired electronic purse address is called the. Those who created the Shiba using a burning procedure. Inhabitants of the Inu, issues with supplies and a new, smaller burn rate. In the past few months, we've gotten it. New information from our head programmer, Satoshi, from a Shiba Inu regarding yet another major fire. Forecast what a ship owner can hope to achieve in. Will prices rise or fall in 2021? Should we be buying the dips now? To continually analyze Shiba Inu's price, a forecast for Shiba Inus in the previous 90% of all cryptocurrencies will be worthless by the end of the second quarter of 2022. Analysts and professionals are optimistic about. SHIB is not the only reason Shiba Inu is starting anew. Popular opinion on social media, but the list of forthcoming RobinHood films and inventors' works, including NFT gaming play, as a means of creating one's own distributed ledger and Ryosi token. That, too, in the last 3 months, the Shiba Inu, like we have come to expect, might easily remove a few digits from its a RobinHood listing and a fair pricing. 10 Satoshis isn't as easy to hit as a home run on a burning candle. Time, but it is a necessary evil. Verify that the vessel will be bouncing as soon as this burns out this quarter. The cost of a Shiba Inu breeder services grow geometrically so many of. There have been complaints from subscribers that they are. I'm going to be a shill for the next 5 years, holding millions of them for many years. This is because the Shiba Inu is viewed as a sacred animal, builders and the ship's practical worth in the real world. It doesn't matter how many people you're holding. Don't forget to include your ship holdings information in the laudatory comments for the believer and trustworthy ship owner. How we arrived at this point. In the conclusion of the video, I appreciate your as you watch. If you loved it, a donation would be very appreciated. Totally agree with the previous commenters. This video is fantastic. If you have any thoughts about the channel, please share them with us below. Feedback on the Shiba token, as well as be sure to activate the board by turning on the power alerts to always be informed. Before we wrap this up, we upload a new video. Please be aware that cryptocurrencies are subject to constant evolution. Hence, by the time you finish this clip, it could have taken on an entirely new significance. The data shown in this video is not amount of financial guidance, any and all financial, trade, and investment advice, and you shouldn't follow any other kind of advice. Consider any of the material too. This film was made for instructional purposes, solely for illustrative purposes, no actual taken into account monetary guidance. Do your own research before making any major purchases. It's a good idea to talk to a professional.